Howdy, y'all.
Yeah, howdy.
Do you know where we're from?
Yeah, can you guess?
We're from that big state in America
The weird looking one?
that everyone wears on necklaces. That's not my throat. Necklaces?
Yeah. We're pretty fancy down here.
Yeah.
We ride horses to work.
We do. We ride horses and rope them cowboys.
Oh yeah, them cowboys are sexy.
Them cowboys are sexy.
You should see them with their shirts on. Ooh, yummy.
Yummy. And their
Ooh.
farmer's towns.
Oh yes. You should really think about coming down here and checking out the boys, women. Seriously, I'm talking about major hottiness.
Do you know what we're talking about now?
No, not really.